Most creators think that uploading videos consistently is the secret to YouTube's success, but that's completely wrong. The truth is, there's a hidden system behind every view, every recommendation, every viral video, and almost nobody explains it. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly how the YouTube algorithm works behind the scenes, why small channels often get ignored, and what you can do to make the algorithm work for you. If you listen carefully, by the end of this audio, you'll never look at YouTube the same way again. Part 1. Understanding the algorithm. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a recommendation engine designed to keep people watching. Every video you see, every autoplay suggestion is controlled by a complex algorithm. The most important thing to know, YouTube doesn't care about how often you upload. It cares about watch time and engagement. Watch time is how long people watch your videos. CTR, or click-through rate, is how many people click your video. Session time is how long viewers stay on YouTube after watching your video. Even if you get 100 clicks, if viewers leave in 10 seconds, the algorithm will stop showing your video. So the real secret is not views, but retention and session impact. Part 2. Why small channels struggle silently. Here's why most small channels fail silently. 1. They focus on posting videos like a machine, but no one watches because the video doesn't satisfy the viewer. 2. They copy big creators instead of understanding what makes their audience click and stay. 3. They ignore metadata, titles, thumbnails, and descriptions that the algorithm actually reads. Think about it this way. YouTube's algorithm is like a matchmaker. It only recommends videos that it knows will make the viewers stay. If your video doesn't create curiosity, engagement, or completion, it won't be promoted, no matter how good your content is. Part 3. Secrets the experts know. Now let's talk about the secrets the pros never tell beginners. 1. First 15 seconds matter most. The algorithm tracks how many viewers stay past the first 15 seconds. Make your hook irresistible. Ask a question, tease a solution, or start with a shocking fact. 2. Session duration beats views. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers on the platform longer. That's why Watch Next suggestions exist. Tip: suggest related videos in your script naturally. For example, after this video, I'll explain. 3. Thumbnails and titles are signals. It's not just about getting clicks. YouTube measures if the thumbnail and title match the content. Misleading thumbnails hurt your growth. 4. Audience retention curves. Even a small increase in retention can make a huge difference. Experts often analyze retention graphs to see where people drop off and then tweak content. 5. Consistency helps the algorithm learn you. You don't need daily uploads at first. Start with 3 to 4 videos a week. Consistency helps YouTube understand your channel's topic and audience, which increases your chances of being recommended. Part 4. How to make it work for you. So how can you make the algorithm work in your favor? 1. Hook people instantly. First 15 seconds are everything. 2. Keep the audience engaged every 30 to 60 seconds. Add curiosity or a mini story. 3. Optimize metadata. Clear titles, curiosity-driven thumbnails, descriptions with keywords. 4. Focus on value. Your content must answer questions, solve problems, or entertain. 5. Encourage session flow. Suggest watching another video or playlist. Remember, it's not about tricking the algorithm. It's about giving the algorithm what it wants, viewers who stay longer and keep watching. At the end, now you know the hidden secrets the algorithm doesn't tell beginners. It's not about luck, it's about understanding human behavior, retention, and session value. If you apply these insights, your small channel can grow faster than most big channels struggling blindly. So next time you upload, ask yourself, does this video make someone stay, click, and watch more? If you want more tips on mastering YouTube growth, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and listen to our next audio guide, because what you've just learned today is just the beginning.